Hi Shahid,
Hello, sir.
everything good?
Yes,
Okay, in the last class we were doing application of derivatives.
yes.
Okay, any doubts in that?
No.
Okay, yes, this was the. Okay, so let me give you a question. Okay, revise everything of application of derivative.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is a JEE 2022 question. We are asking water is being filled at the rate of 1 centimeter cube per second in a right circular conical vessel. Vertex downwards of height 35 centimeter and diameter 14 centimeter. When the height of the water level is 10 centimeter, the rate in centimeter square per second at which the wet conical surface area of the vessel increase is dash. Okay, you can solve this. Yes or no, Shahid? Can solve it, Sahid?
Yes, sir. Trying to solve it.
Okay, let me give you the story. What they are saying? They are saying there is a conical flask or something like that. Okay, and this base is given. I think something is given. Okay, and the height is also given. Water is being filled. That means water is being poured like this, and the rate of this volume change is given. dV by dt is given, right? They are asking ds by dt, and surface area is pi r l. Okay, all right, Shahid.
So dV by dt is 1 centimeter cube per second, right?
Or let me see. Yes, dV by dt is 1 centimeter cube per second. The only relation you need to find is if this is h, this is capital R, and at some point water level will be at this level. So take this as small r. This is h dash. Okay, something is given, I guess, and this length is L. So we know that L equals to r square plus h square. Using these two equations, you can find the answer. Okay,
Yes, sir.
should I solve this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see, volume change is given, dV by dt is given, which is 1, and V is pi r square h by 3, right?
Is the volume?
Is volume of cone.
Yes.
Okay, all right. Now in this cone, let's see what else is given. Of height 35, diameter 14. So this total height is 35, diameter means this radius is 7. Okay, so let's take this is small r, this is h. Okay, this is h. So we can say using similar triangle, r by 7 is equals to h by 35. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So h equals to 5r, we can say. So here we can put it 5r, so 5 pi r cube by 3, differentiation is 1. Okay,
Yes.
so we have 5 pi by 3 times 3r square dr by dt is equals to 1. This is one equation. Okay, all right.
Yes.
Now surface area is pi rl. L we know is r square plus h square ka root, and h is 5r. So this is pi r. 5r square is 25r square. So this is root 26r square. So this is root 26 pi r square. Okay, they are asking differentiation of this.
Yes.
So this will be root 26 pi 2r dr by dt, and the value of r is given, I think, 10 centimeter. Sorry, height is given as 10. So if height is 10, then r must be 2. So if you put 2 here and here, you will get dr by dt. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so when you put r equals to 2, you will get 5 pi by 3. This is 3 and 4 dr by dt equals to 1. 3 से 3 गया, so dr by dt is 1 by 20 pi. So ds by dt equals to root 26 pi 2 into 2 into dr by dt is 1 by 20 pi. So pi से pi गया 4 5 सा, so root 26 by 5. 5 is the answer. Okay.
Yes.
Note it down.
Yes.
Done.
Jasola.
Okay, one more question. Let f of x equals to x cube plus ax square plus bx plus 5 sine square x be an increasing function in the set of a real number r, then a and b satisfy the condition a square minus 3b minus 15 greater than 0, a square minus 3b plus 15 greater than 0, a square minus 3b plus 15 less than 0, a more than 0, and b more than 0. Okay, think this how to solve. Increasing means the differentiation should be positive, right?
Where is it often B?
B is the answer. 3B. Okay, why so? How did you solve this?
Yes, sir.
How did you solve this, Shahid?
So first you have to take first derivative and we make it greater than 0.
Right. This is the first derivative.
3
Oh,
x
sorry.
square also.
Yes, 3x square is there. I did not see that. Okay, this is the derivative. Now what? See, we are trying to make it positive, right? So we have to think what should be the minimum value of each of the values. So can I rewrite this as 3x square plus 2ax plus b plus 5 sine 2x? Yes or no?
Yes, yes,
एंड sin 2x की मिनिमम वैल्यू जो होती है वो -1 होती है, राइट?
yes,
So if I take the minimum value of that, we can rewrite the equation as this. B, not 3b, b -5. Okay. So this is a quadratic equation,
yes,
and in this quadratic equation, a is positive, right? Coefficient of x square is positive, तो इसका ग्राफ कुछ ऐसा होगा. Now if I have to make it positive, तो हमें ग्राफ ऐसा चाहिए जो x एक्सिस को कट ही ना करे. Okay.
yes,
And for this, discriminator should be less than 0. तो यहाँ डिस्क्रिमिनेटर फाइंड कर लेते हैं, which is b square 3a whole square minus 4ac should be less than 0. Okay. So 9a square
yes,
minus 12b and plus 60 less than 0. कुछ कॉमन आ रहा है निकाल लीजिए and this will be the answer. Okay.
yes.
Okay, you can note it down if you want. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Done, Shahid.
Lunch.
Okay. Let's solve few more questions. Okay, I have told you about tangents and normals in this chapter. Do
No,
you know
sir.
how to find? Okay, so let me explain. Many of the questions are from tangent and normal. Even CBSE has deleted this, but for competitive exams, tend to give that. Okay, so remember, dy by dx is the slope of tangent at any point. Okay, slope of tangent at any point. Okay, so if you have y equals to x square, suppose this is the graph, and you have to find the slope of tangent at x equals to 5, then what you will do, dy by dx, which is 2x, and put x equals to 5, so 10. That means at x equals to 5, the tangent that is going like this has slope what, 10. Okay, all right, Shahid.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, now do you know straight lines? Remember straight lines, class 11th?
Forgot, sir.
Oh god, okay. This is called slope intercept form, right?
Yes.
Where m is the slope and c is the y-intercept. Y-intercept means जहां ये y को कट करता है, this line. Y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. This is called slope point form. हमेशा कोई भी लाइन निकालने के लिए you have to have two datas. ठीक है, या तो slope हो and a point, or 2 points, or anything like that. Okay, you need two
Yes.
things. So these two formats are generally used to find tangents and normals. Tangent mean जो कर्व को टच करके निकल जाता है, and normal means which is perpendicular to tangent. तो एक चीज और याद रखिए आप, that if two lines are perpendicular, then their multiplication of slope is -1. Okay, so if you know tangent का slope, then normal का slope is उल्टा करके negative. If slope of tangent is 3, let me write it this. Slope of tangent is 3, then slope of normal is -1/3. उल्टा कर दो, नेगेटिव लगा दो, ठीक है, साइन चेंज कर दो, दैट मीन्स. ओके,
Yes. If two lines are perpendicular, then the slope of two lines will be -1.
यस, मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ दो स्लोप्स.
And the normal will be -1/3.
यस, जस्ट रेसिप्रोकेट एंड यूज नेगेटिव साइन. ओके,
So the slope of tangent is 3. What that tangent?
if slope of tangent is 3, this is an example. Okay,
Oh,
जस्ट रिमेंबर डिफरेंशिएशन गिव्स अस स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट. dy by dx क्या देता है हमें, स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट. ओके,
Done.
Okay, write down one question on this. They're saying this is JMain 2022 question. If angle made by tangent at the point x naught y naught on the curve x equals to 12 times t plus sine t cos t and y equals to 12 times 1 plus sine t whole square, where 0 is less than t is less than pi by 2, with positive x-axis is pi by 3, then y naught is equals to dash. Okay, so here if you read the question, they are saying angle made by tangent. Okay, that means they are giving you the slope. Tangent means tan theta. This is theta and slope is tan theta.
Yes.
So tan theta they have given you 10 pi by 3, and this is what we know as dy by dx, right Shahid?
Yes.
So all you have to do is find dy by dx and simplify, and you will get the answer. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so please try to solve.
Can you scroll up the
Sorry.
question starting in scroll? Yes.
Okay, now you can read.
Yes, sir. They're done. You can scroll down now.
You remember how to differentiate parametric form?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I'm not getting it.
Let's see. Here dx by dt is 12 times 1 plus sine t cos t. Okay, sine t cos t we can multiply divide by 2 or sine cos sine square t and minus cos square t. Okay, we can write like this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
No. Actually, this will be positive and this will be negative. We did a negative mistake. So this is 12 times 1 plus cos 2t. Okay, cos square t minus sin square t is cos 2t. Now dy by dt 12 times 2 1 plus sin t and okay, my bad, dy by dt. So 12 मैं यही लिख रहा हूँ मैं, ठीक है, 12 into 2 1 plus sin t into cos t, ठीक है, so 24 cos t into 1 plus sin t. We have got this. Now dy by dx is 24 cos t 1 plus sin t divided by 12 1 plus cos 2t. Now what is 1 plus cos 2t? Half angle formula. 1 plus cos 2 theta. Okay.
2 cos square x.
Yes, 2 cos square x. Right. This 12 and this 2 is cancelled out. 2 cos t 1 plus sin t, and in the denominator we have 2 cos square t. This 2 and 2 is got, cos t and cos t is cancelled. Okay, we can write this as sec t plus tan t, and this is given as 10 pi by 6, I think. Okay, or pi by 3, right? Dy by dx is given as 10 pi by 3.
Yes.
What is the value of 10 pi by 3?
Root 3.
Root 3. Okay. Do we know sec square t minus tan square t is equals to 1?
Yes, sir.
So can I say sec t plus tan t into sec t minus tan
Yes.
t, and this is root 3. So sec t minus tan t is equals to 1 by root 3. Okay.
Yes.
Now if you add these two equations, we'll get 2 sec t is equals to root 3 plus 1 by root 3. So this is 4 by root 3. Okay. So sec t will get 2 by root 3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
T will be pi by 6. Okay.
Yes.
So once you get t, you will get y also. Just put the value of t here and you will get the y. Okay.
Yes.
Got it. So this was a question of simplification of differentiation. Please note it down.
Done, sir.
All right. So understood everything of today's class, Shayad?
Yes, sir. Understood.
I still feel you are not practicing enough, right? Since we started differentiation, I feel you are not doing a lot of questions at home. Are you doing this?
Yes, sir. I'm doing but little bit difficult calculus.
Helpless. Okay, you can ask me any doubts you have. Okay, you have like my WhatsApp number. You can talk to the team also. Whenever you have doubt, just ask. Okay,
Okay.
right? You have only like 3-4 months left. Okay,
Yes.
all right then, Shahid. Take care
Okay.
and feel free to
Thank
ask
you.